1 month before stroke, your body will send you these warning signs. Don't ignore them. Yes, and this is the main reason why in this video we are going to talk about strokes, the most common warning signs, and how to protect yourself. First, you should know that there are two major types of strokes, ischemic and hemorrhagic. Ischemic strokes are more common and are caused by a narrowing or blocking of arteries to the brain, resulting in severely reduced blood flow. Hemorrhagic strokes are less common and are caused by bleeding in the brain. Can I ask you a simple question? Do you know what is stroke? Well, stroke is a disease that affects the arteries leading to and within the brain. And it's the number 5 cause of death and a leading cause of disability in the United States. A stroke occurs when a blood vessel that carries oxygen and nutrients to the brain is either blocked by a clot or bursts or ruptures. When that happens, part of the brain cannot get the blood and oxygen it needs, so it and brain cells die. And now you probably ask yourself, what are the effects of stroke? The brain is an extremely complex organ that controls various body functions. If a stroke occurs and blood flow can't reach the region that controls a particular body function, that part of the body won't work as it should. It's extremely important to identify the warning signs of a stroke and get medical help as soon as possible to reduce the risk of serious damage to the brain. This can help lower the risk of death or disability and improve your chances of recovery. The medical experts say that the signs and symptoms may vary from one person to another depending on the type of stroke, the part of the brain affected, and the extent of damage. But they all tend to begin suddenly. Stroke, most common symptoms: hiccup, unconsciousness, lightheadedness or weakness, pain, breathing problems, hallucinations, epileptic attacks, personality changes, sickness. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.